Welcome to my channel, Clitin Meals. It's your favorite girl, Princess Clitin, Queen of Hearts and Smiles. It's another tutorial going down. Let's start at the very beginning. You know what's up, right? Okay, into it. So yes, if
start at the very beginning, a very good place to start. Okay, I know a lot of times it gets difficult to edit your video on YouTube from start to the end without using a laptop, basically like adding end screens, iCards and all that kind of stuff. So that's what I want to show you today. You can get your phone to a desktop mode, and that is going to be very possible. First, you just go to a Google Chrome browser and you type youtube.com. There you go. And when you have that, you click on the three icons right at the top. You look right down, almost at the end. I think the fourth but last icon is desktop site. I don't know how it's on your own phone. Voila! There you have it. Okay, so now you're done with that, and you see that your phone is in the right position. You can go to your channel. This is how it all appears on the desktop and everything. And the good thing about adding iCards and end screens is that people can just transition to your next video very easily. They don't need to click on links that they might not find. Some people can see the description box on some phones. Some people cannot see the comment section on some phones. So when you have the end screens and the iCards, it's easy to transition to the next video. So let's go to manage videos and see what comes up, people. There you have it. Okay, managing videos. So you can click on a video here and go to edit it. Let's edit this video. See how it all appears here like it appears on your laptop. So good enough, good and fair enough. I've not done my end screen of this one, so let me put an end screen to it. This is what an end screen looks like. It's like the last part of your phone. So it's giving me options of the end screen I can get for this particular video, or I can import from an old video. Well, I just want to get a new one. It says one video, one subscribe, one playlist, one subscribe, one video, one subscribe, and one video, one playlist. I prefer one video, one playlist because I'll definitely urge people to subscribe on my channel. And then I always do the best I can to pull it right to the end, but I think today I'm not so, my hand is not giving me that option to pull it right to the end. I pull it right to the point where it can last. It says best for viewers. No, I want to choose the video I want to appear there. So let's get to find that video. Which video am I gonna put? Let me put my hair video on there, and then the other one, you click on it, it's highlighted. What playlist would you love to have on there? Let's see, which playlist do I want on there? Money Matters. So let's put up Money Matters on that. Okay, and then you do a save. Good job, princess. That is going to appear at the end of the video, and I'll show you how it appears. And then for iCards, for end screens, you can put only up to about, I think, 3 or 4. They'll give you based on your video's size and shape. They'll give you what to do. And then for iCards, you can put as many as possible. But I always advise that you should put your iCard almost at the end, because you don't want someone transitioning to another video when they're not done watching the video they're on. So I always advise that you should put your iCards almost at the end of your video. So your iCard could be a playlist, it could be a video, it could be your channel link or something. So I always like to put playlists because it makes it easier for people to get many more videos, to get to watch many more videos of mine So let's put YouTube Shorts. This is Shorts there. So this is how it's going to appear. You can see this suggested YouTube Shorts, so people can go there and watch some of my short videos. You can always rephrase it, you know. You can always put a different name to it. Where is that? YouTube Shorts. You come here, you customize the message. Amazing videos. Okay, teaser text, must watch. Okay, so that is done and dusted, and you can go ahead and save that. That is saved. So if you look at it right now, you're gonna see how the teaser appears. Must watch. Okay, and you click on save. Never forget to click on the save button. If you don't click on it, well, all that you're doing is just like wasted. And you can also come right here, you put your the various playlists you have, you can get it done. You can also go right down, it gives you a place of putting tags, show more. I'm just showing you a lot of things you can do that you normally not be able to do on your phone without having the desktop mode on. You can put tags on here. You can allow comments or disallow comments. I always disable my comments for my live streams. You can add tags here. You know, you just put information and then put a comma. Put information and then put a comma. This one, I go to health. I put women, comma. I put pain. I put intercourse, and many others. You can put as many as it's supposed to be like 500 words. Yeah, 500, up to 500 words. And those tags are very important because they also help in the search option. And then here you can put your thumbnail. If you have a customized thumbnails, you can put it on there. And of course, like I said, it also helps you to be able to put the mid rolls for monetized channels. You see this? Look at the left hand corner. You can see the video there. You can see the this is the edit button. And then the next one, let's just click on it so you see. I didn't click on save. I had to click on save, and I kept telling you all to click on save. That would have cancelled. Okay, you click on the next one. That's analytics. It shows you everything about the video. But when you're just uploading the video, you're definitely not going to see this because it's going to have no analytics yet. And then comments. I've already responded to all comments. That's why you can see the comments here. And then you go to the next one, is YouTube Studio. You can actually edit some videos and do a lot of things there. And then you go to the last icon, that's the dollar icon, monetization. It says my monetization for this video is limited. I would request review. I would request review. Let's go there. This is it, request review. I want a human to actually check this video and make sure it can come to full monetization. Okay, request submitted. Okay, and then we can go ahead and put our mid rolls on the video, but this is a short video, so we can't get to put mid rolls. But when it's a long video, you'll be able to get these parts here. They'll be highlighted in blue. You can click on them and put your mid rolls. You click on it and you can put as many mid roll videos as ads as you want. Okay, maybe we're gonna try that for another video. So we're done with this one. Let's go back to videos. These are all videos, so let's try this one on. You see the monetization sign here is yellow because it's limited. When it's fully on all there, you would actually see it green. So let's edit this one. Let's go to monetization straight up and edit this one. Okay, so you can see it's here, manage mid rolls. The start and end, of course, YouTube always puts it on there by itself. So manage mid rolls, See how it opens? That's it. Okay, and then you click right on there. You take this little thing here and you pull it there, and you click on add break. You see that? That just added. Pull it again to wherever you want it to be, and you click on add break. Okay, when you finish, you click on continue, and then don't forget the save button. Save. That is saved. Okay, so that's exactly what happens. It gets easy to do a lot of things on this desktop mode on your phone, so you don't necessarily need a laptop to be able to do all these things. Yay! If this tutorial was very helpful to you, get to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get all updates each time we upload a new video or get to go live. Tell us which other tutorial you want us to do, and we'll be at your service. Mwah!
This tutorial was very useful to you. Get to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get all our updates. And whatever tutorial you want us to get doing, write it down in the comment section and we'll be at your service. At your service all the time. I always get to say I love you so very much, but God loves you way, way more. Bye-bye.